everyone, welcome back. So today's video is very special to me. It means a lot to me, and I can't even express the amount of happiness and the amount of, I guess, proudness and I don't know, just of being Latina, being able to receive this package that is just so meaningful to the Spanish community, to the African American community, to all the multicultural communities. I don't know, words can't even, the words can't even come out because I'm so grateful for this package. I'm so happy that I actually got to, be a part of this and receive this meaningful collection. So, by the caption, you may know that it's a very heavy package, but as you know, this is the full spectrum collection by CoverGirl, and you don't even know how, like I said, meaningful this is to me. It was inspired by the multicultural women and just means a lot. So yeah, CoverGirl actually added me to their PR list, and I'm gonna be getting, their new launches and stuff like that. But this one right here is actually one that means a lot to me, just because I'm a Latina and Hispanic, whatever you want to call me, from Puerto Rico, and I just love this right here, and it's just inspiring for myself and for every Latina. It's amazing. So let's make this short, and yeah, here she is. So there's a lot of things in this package. There's things for the lips, eyes, and face. So I'm gonna be doing a full tutorial using this collection only. So I have primers here, I have eyeliners, lipsticks. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do it. Also gonna be doing this video in Spanish as well. So this is gonna be a very long video, but it's just so meaningful to me, so it doesn't even matter. So if you want to see how I create a look using this collection that is very meaningful to me, then just keep watching. I'm going to show you a couple of the items. There's too many. Amazing. So I'm gonna be using these two because I am wearing pink, and I don't know, I probably do a pinkish brownish look with these two. This is a cheek palette. So they sent three of these cheek palettes. So yeah, I'm guessing it's like a blush and a highlight. These are gorgeous. Whew. They also sent a whole bunch of their concealers, and wow, look at this. You can't go wrong with all of these dark tones, medium tones, and light tones. That you have a full collection of great colors for darker tones. Wow. So I'm of course in light medium, so I'm gonna be using that. And these I might use to contour. I also received this contour palette, which is so cute. There's not a lot of brands that are drugstore that actually carry cream contour palettes, so this is cute. They also sent over a bunch of their powders, so they have different colors. Look at that. Wow, they have a wide variety of colors for darker, for medium, and for light tones. Wow, I am so surprised. Look at this one. This one's for, I think this one's gonna be mine, the light neutral one. But look at these. This is so impressive that they would have so many different medium and dark tones. And I have so much more in there. That's just insane. So they also sent over foundations, and here I took out 6 of them. I'm not going to show you all of them because they did send a lot, but I have it from, on this side, from light to kind of dark, and look at that. Such a variety for a drugstore company to have such a big collection of dark tones. You don't really see that. I know all of these higher end brands have been coming out with more darker tones foundations. So yeah, look at this variety and look at that. I'm so happy and I can't wait to try this foundation. I do love this one, so yes, I can't wait to try this one. And this one is a matte ambition, so it's actually matte as well. Okay, so I'm going to start with the primer, and this is the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition Primer, and it looks like this. I'm going to apply it all over the face. Doesn't feel too heavy. I like the way it feels on the skin. So I do have my eyebrows done because I noticed they this didn't come with anything for the eyebrows. I could have used maybe some eyeshadows, but yeah, no. Okay, so I think we found our color. Okay, so this is a light golden. After so many swatches, light golden I think is my color, which yeah, looks perfect. This one is too light for me. I'll probably give that one to my sister. And then these two may be my color in the summer. Right now, they're not my color. So I think I found my color, and let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna apply this all over the face. Today, I'm gonna be using my Shayna B Miami sponge. So yeah, I think this is the perfect color for me. It is blending out perfectly and it matches my skin. So today's concealer is the All Day Idol Brightening Concealer, and it looks like this, and this is a light medium. This might be a little dark for me, but let's see. So I'm going to be using this under the eye, bridge of the nose, the forehead, the chin, and under here to highlight the high points of my face. So the concealer might be a little too dark for me. There's not a lighter one. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of the Milani on top. This concealer is actually good for me for under the eye area because I do have dark circles, so that to start off is not bad. So I'm just gonna blend that out. For contour, I'm gonna be using the Full Spectrum Contour and Correct Expert. I'm gonna be taking a Sedona Lace 773 brush. I'm taking this color right here to contour. We're just gonna blend it out. So now we're gonna go in with this palette. This is the Sculpt Expert, the Versatile Cheek Palette. So I'm gonna be using this as a blush, and then I'm gonna be using this for a highlight. I love this, it looks perfect. Just amazing, love it. I'm gonna take the blush first. Ooh, that is pigmented. Ooh. Before I go in with the highlight, I actually want to just apply some of this powder on my T-zone and underneath the eye area. This is the Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation, and I'm in the color Light Neutral. I'm going to apply it underneath the eyes. Now that the powder is all over the face in the parts that you wanted it, then you're gonna go in with the highlight. So I'm gonna be using this fan brush by Morphe. I'm gonna be taking this color right here. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Love it. Oh girl, I think I found my new favorite highlighters. I only applied a little tiny bit and it is pigmented. Okay, I'm going to be applying a setting spray before I go in with the rest of the face. which is just the eyes and the lips. So CoverGirl knows what they're doing. My face is beat. So I don't know, I was stuck between these two palettes. They both have pink, and I'm wearing pink obviously, so that's why I went for these two. But this is more of a neutral toned palette, so I think I might go with this one because I see more of transition colors in this one. When this one, it doesn't have that. So I just want to use one palette. So I'm just gonna go with this one, and this is the So Saturated palette. It's in the color Posh. So it looks like this. Taking a blending brush, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here and applying it to my crease. I'm going to apply that on the crease area and bring it up to the brow. You're going to be adding color and blending that. For the brow bone, I'm going to be taking this color right here. So we're just going to keep it simple here. We're just going to add one color to the lid. I'm going to add this pink color to the lid. For underneath the eye area, because I want to smoke that out a little bit, I'm going to be using the same color I used before. These two colors here. So I'm going to take the brown first, and then I'm going to add that. So for the inner corner, I'm going to highlight with the beautiful highlighter color that I used before, which is this one. Wow. So also the eyeliners came in the package, so I'm going to be adding this purple eyeliner in the waterline. So cute. Didn't come in with a mascara, so I'm just going to be using this mascara by It Cosmetics. I'm gonna add the lashes and I'll be right back. I have the lashes in. We're gonna go in with the lipstick. I'm gonna be using two from the collection, and this is the Full Spectrum CoverGirl lipstick, and this is Prodigy, and it's like a nice brownish color. And then I'm gonna also go in with Full Spectrum CoverGirl Gloss Idol, and of course I always have to go in on top with gloss. Okay, so this is like a brownish metallic-y color, which is cute. I like it. Smells like bubblegum. I love how these two colors made basically the eyeshadow of this look, which is so cool. Not intentional at all, but so cool. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found out about some awesome affordable goodies. And also, I didn't mention this before in the beginning, but please do it. Please like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.